follow me. It's our English story time. What book are we going to read today?
We're going to read the Saggy Baggy Elephant.
What is Saggy Baggy?
Don't know. Rhyming words.
应该是指这只大象它皮松松的吧The Saggy Baggy Elephant. A happy little elephant was dancing through the jungle. He thought he was dancing beautifully. 1, 2, 3, kick. But whenever he went 1, 2, 3, his big feet pounded so that they shook the whole jungle. And whenever he went kick, he kicked over a tree or a bush. 所以大象跳舞是很可怕的，惊动整个森林界的人、动物们，对不对
？1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick.
The little elephant danced along, leaving wreckage behind him, until one day he met a parrot. Why are you shaking the jungle all to pieces? Cried the parrot, who had never before seen an elephant. What kind of animal are you, anyway? 所以这个鹦鹉是被他吓到的吧？你有没有看过大象这样的动物啊？ The little elephant said, I don't know what kind of animal I am. I live all alone in the jungle. I dance and I kick, and I call myself Suki. It's a good sounding name, and it fits me, don't you think? Maybe, answered the parrot. But if it doesn't, it's the only thing that does fit you. Your ears are too big for you, and your nose is way too big for you, and your skin is much, much too big for you. It's baggy and saggy. You should call yourself Saggy Baggy. 他怎么给人家取这样一个名字啊 ？Call somebody's name， 就是觉得有点不太好给人家取一个外号。Sugi sighed. His pants did look pretty wrinkled. I'd be glad to improve myself, he said, but I don't know how to go about it. What should I do? I can't tell you. I never saw anything like you in all my life, replied the parrot. The little elephant tried to smooth out his skin. He rubbed it with his trunk. That did no good. 所以大象的皮本来就这样皱皱的啊，这是它天生的啊，是没有办法改变的吧？He pulled up his pants legs, but they fell right back into dozens of wrinkles. It was very disappointing, and the parrot's saucy laugh didn't help a bit. 这只鹦鹉很没有礼貌。Just then, a tiger came walking along. He was a beautiful, sleek tiger. His skin fit him like a glove. Suki rushed up to him and said, Tiger, please tell me why your skin fits so well. The parrot says mine is all baggy and saggy, and I do want to make it fit me like yours fits you. The tiger didn't care a fig about Sugi's troubles. But he did feel flattered and important, and he did feel just a little mite hungry. 他想吃掉大象啊。My skin always did fit, said the tiger. Maybe it's because I take a lot of exercise. But, added the tiger, if you don't care for exercise, I should be delighted to nibble a few of those extra pounds of skin off for you. 天哪，他要吃掉它吗？ Oh no, thank you, no, thank you, cried Suki. I love exercise, just watch me. Suki ran until he was well beyond reach. Then he did somersaults and rolled on his back. He walked on his hind legs, and he walked on his front legs. When Sugi wandered down to the river to get a big drink of water, he met the parrot. The parrot laughed harder than ever. 他真的很坏耶。I try exercising, sighed the little elephant. No, I don't know what to do. Soak in the water the way the crocodile does, laughed the parrot. Maybe your skin will shrink. So Sugi tramped straight into the water. 有用吗？你觉得泡泡水会不会有用？ But before he had soaked nearly long enough to shrink his skin, a great big crocodile came swimming up, snapping his fierce jaws and looking greedily at Sugi's tender ears. 糟糕，鳄鱼也想吃它欸。The little elephant clambered up the bank and ran away, feeling very discouraged. I better hide in a dark place where my bags and sags and creases and wrinkles won't show, he said. By and by he found a deep, dark cave, and with a heavy sigh, he tramped inside and sat down. 很想躲起来，然后又害怕又伤心。糟糕，出现了一头，这是什么？狮子哎！感觉更可怕。Suddenly, he heard a fierce growling and grumbling and snarling. He peeped out of the cave and saw a lion padding down the path. I'm hungry, roared the lion. I haven't had a thing to eat today. Not a thing except a thin, bony antelope and a bunny monkey and a buffalo, but such a tough one. And 2 turtles, but you can count turtles. There's nothing much to eat between those saucers. They were for clothes. I'm hungry. I could eat an elephant. Uh-oh. And he began to pad straight towards the dark cave, where the little elephant was hidden. 糟糕，他会发现 Sugi 吗？ This is the end of me. Sags, bags, wrinkles, and all, thought Sugi, and he let out one last trumpeting bellow. Just as he did, the jungle was filled with a terrible crashing and an awful stomping. A whole herd of great gray, wrinkled elephants came charging up, and the big hungry lion jumped up in the air, turned around, and ran away as fast as he could go. 所以这是什么？团结力量大。你就算是狮子，你也敌不过大象群啊。Sugi peeped out of the cave, and all the big elephants smiled at him. Sugi thought they were the most beautiful creatures he had ever seen. 跟它是同种类，对不对？ I wish I looked just like you, he said. You do, grinned the big elephant. You are a perfectly dandy little elephant. And that made Sugi so happy that he began to dance 1, 2, 3, kick through the jungle, with all those big, brave, friendly elephants behind him. The saucy parrot watched and danced, but this time he didn't laugh, not even to himself. Dun dun, the end.
为什么他没有笑？
他笑不出来吧？他要敢笑Sugi的话，应该会被大象踩扁吧。好啦，讲完了，这是那个《A Little Golden Book》里面的其中一本，叫做《Saggy Baggy Elephant》。所以每种动物都有它美丽的地方，你要有自信，你的自信拿出来，好吗？
Yes.
自信。
Yes.
The end.
拜拜。
拜拜。